Hey YouTubers, what's going on? It's Ryan here. Gonna do another extreme fishing and hunting video real quick before I go to work. Probably not gonna get any footage of me catching fish because I only have my phone today and I can't really set it up to record myself. But we'll check out the stream when we get down there, Cattaraugus Creek. We're gonna try some spoons down there real quick before I head into work. We got about a half an hour, 45 minutes to fish. And I'll show you anything I catch if I do catch anything. Alright guys, we're almost there. Alright, here we go guys. This is the Savage Road Bridge in Yorkshire. Nice sunny day, about 40s, 50 degrees, something like that. We're gonna try our luck down here. Okay. Stream looks pretty nice. You can see it down there. I'm gonna park right down here. Give it a whirl. Nice little parking area over here. Right here in Yorkshire, New York, guys. Public fishing stream, Cattaraugus Creek. Let's go catch some fish. Here guys, we're checking out, walking down to the creek right now. Water looks super clear. Got the old, gonna use the little Clio. See how that works for some trout today. Only got a little bit of time, but it's pretty nice out. Little spot over there to fish. Nice deep hole right over here. See what happens. Nice stream here. A little bit breezy. Let's go try some. No fish so far guys with the Clio, but hey, couldn't ask for a beautiful day. More beautiful day to fish. Sunny out, beautiful sky. Let's keep looking, scouting for some fish. There's a nice hole up here, we're gonna go check it out. Said guys, I'm not really catching any fish, but check out this view through my glasses. I mean, everything is like green, is blue. It's beautiful. See the difference? I don't know if you can see the difference or not. But I was fishing that shelf there where that clay was, and there ain't nothing under it. Gonna have to get going to work pretty soon. Beautiful day to be fishing though guys. Have a good day, God bless. No fish today guys, but still always fun walking the creek bank on a beautiful day. It's always fun. Love fishing, love being outdoors. Thanks for subscribing to my channel guys. Please like and share and subscribe. Off to work now, guys. Peace.